Hey guys, I'm Julia from This Model Eats a Lot, and today I'm going to talk to you about the holidays I take. So one of my favorite things to do in the world is to go on holiday to somewhere really beautiful, somewhere where I can just pop on a bikini or two. So while on holiday, what I like to do is get a boat. So that means sailing around during the day drinking, jumping off the boat. It's really fun. So I thought, why not do a vlog to show you how we do it. I actually don't have any of my friends shown in the vlog because, yeah, I don't want to sort of, abuse their privacy like that. So it is going to look a little bit like it's just me partying with myself, but trust me, I had people there with me. Plus we get to eat really amazing food on board, which I can't wait to show you in the video.
Eres tú la mujer que me hace feliz, me cura el dolor, mi otra mitad.
Oh, watching that is making me want to go back. Like, oh, why am I in Australia right now? And the thing is, I think in Melbourne, of course. Oh my god, you can't even do that in Melbourne, so it's quite sad, really. Anyway, it's been so nice chatting to you guys. Subscribe, you know the deal, and don't forget to eat a lot.